fire drove. I got leans and coke, but look my dog, keep that on the low. Don't talk too much up on the church, just a scroll around my way. 616, I've been the mean, the A2SELA. Playing broke ain't never made no sense to me. Yeah, I fuck your hoe, but that still won't bring no sense to me. Get on what I'm saying, G, they know about it, South for the James. Salad never came the reason my old Zanes in my Chevy thing. KB told me, shorty, it will end up with me being locked. Ain't nothing for me to stop saying, nigga, I'm on the block. Money made niggas turn south, cause they know Soldernado whipping fit that motherfucking power. Fuck the boys, pussy closed down the trap. I just gave us black weapons, another reason to act out. Shit, we just go back to the hills, still get it how we live. Murder, murder, kill, all for that dollar bill. Look, it's Mr. Sugar Man, scrolling through my hood again, bringing all them goodies, man. Bag full of cookies, man. Surf going for 40 shaws, O for 125. Got work like slave shows, go for 2 for 5. Look, it's Mr. Sugar Man, scrolling through my hood again, bringing all them goodies, man. Bag full of cookies, man. Surf going for 40 shaws, O for 125. Got work like slave shows, go for 2 for 5.
Look, I'm rolling with that gaddy click, them niggas got their work. On the corner watching for them boys, heat under the shirt. What you think we playing niggas out here slanging, trying to get the cheese. Rats up in my space, but I won't let them fuckers get to me. What you need, nigga, holla, I got pills for you to swallow. If you smoke, let me know. Hoes call me daddy dollars, cause I stay with a grip. Niggas pockets getting thick, on the come up, on the rise. Y'all niggas just bitch.
I finally understand why motherfuckers hate. They been doing it for so long and these niggas ain't made it yet. They claim they selling drugs, they some thugs but they counterfeit. I got the shit you need if you niggas really want the shit. Ain't no drought, without a doubt, I'm getting my shit from overseas. Got the cheese and the merchandise, bitch, I keep it real. Ain't no deals with no nigga I don't know. They got so good at moving this shit, it's like a slow-mo.
Look, it's Mr. Sugar Man, scrolling through my hood again, bringing all them goodies, man. Bag full of cookies, man. Surf going for 40 shaws, O for 125. Got work like slave shows, go for 2 for 5. Look, it's Mr. Sugar Man, scrolling through my hood again, bringing all them goodies, man. Bag full of cookies, man. Surf going for 40 shaws, O for 125. Got work like slave shows, go for 2 for 5. I'm on paper chasing young nigga from the South of the James. I click and got that shit for sale, cause we bought that change. Talking about that fire smoke, that shit that hit your throat. Trigger got that gritty lean ass murder she wrote. If it don't make dollars, then it don't make sense. I know I'm dead wrong, but that's why I move them bricks. Everybody gotta eat, but this shit ain't enough. We need enough fucking bricks to build a well back up.
All I need is one phone call to get you what you need. Hit them gaddy niggas or just holla at my nigga C. Say he coming through right now with that foul weed. And if you do the music thing, I can even slang you beats. Look, we got pills, we got syrup, you can get it, it ain't no thing. But you gotta come correct with the right amount of change. Rolling down your block, they yelling out, look, it's the Sugar Man. Can get a big bird, but the monster keep them cookies, man.
Look, it's Mr. Sugar Man, scrolling through my hood again, bringing all them goodies, man. Bag full of